Yes, we're not in last.
Billy, how do you feel about your boat now?
Well, we're in last. Well, we're in second class, but it's good enough.
Okay.
At least we're not sinking.
Who's in Dorian's group? Melissa. Melissa, how do you feel about your boat? Parent, how do you feel about the boat?
Whose phone is this?
Mine.
Ooh, we're about to text some people.
Matt Martin. How do you feel about the boat, Matt?
Good. I don't think anyone's stunk yet.
Our class is gonna be the bad class. Dude, that's not fair. They put Owen. Oh wait, not Owen. Ronan, Efren, and Audrey in a group. They're like the genius nerds. Oh, is he?
Dorian and they're doing so well too.
No.
Dorian and Louise. There.
Yeah?
Stop filming. Yeah. Still filming.